And Amebo don't come with another story for all of you now. We're going to dive into the controversy of Chacha marriage and what Mena had to say about it. Chacha Faani, the well-known Nigeria actress, celebrity, and mother of three, who is unmarried to Austin Ikechukwu Faani, who is a film producer, posted a video on her social media.
I'm crazy, I'm mad. But this video is to let the world know that I'm done with the marriage. I don't have a lot to prove that I'm done with him, but I'm done. I'm done. I'm living with my life, finally. I can't say a lot now, but you hear my story.
This video brought surprise to our fans, as the divorce was never expected from the seemingly happy married couple, as they stunned Instagram with beautiful and happy pictures of themselves. Nobody knows her exact reasons yet, but she said her story will be aired, so we're all looking forward to the whole gist. But then the phrase, "I'm living with my life," left her fans with the impression that her husband was physically abusing her, which led Mena, the happily married Instagram celebrity with a flexible waist and a career in twerking, posted on her Instagram story, and I quote, "I'm sorry, but the day a man raises his hand against me is the day I will slice his wrist open and make sure he barely sees the light of day." Wishing you all the best, Chacha. It's better you live with your life than in a coffin. It's like these days, if you have a man and he's not violent towards you, you just have to go down on your knees and thank God. Why must a man eat a woman? Like why? I would never understand this logic. You can't even punish a kid in school these days, not to talk of punishing a old grown ass woman. May God forgive some of these dangerous guns we call men. Any other further gist on this issue will be brought to all of you. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime I drop a new video. Thank you for watching, and our prayers go out to Chacha. See you when I see ya.